Hey, welcome to Glenorchy, New Zealand. I'm Richard Robinson. I've been a professional artist for over 25 years. Have you ever looked at landscape paintings that have a beautiful, warm, soft, glowing light effect across the whole scene that looks like magic, and wondered how on earth do those artists do that? Well, let me show you how. So if you want a really warm reddish light, you just add red and white as you get closer to the sun. So adding more and more pink as you get close to the sun. Whatever color light you want, you just add that plus white to all your colors as they get closer to the sun. And it's not just some of the colors that get closer to the sun, it's all the colors that get closer to the sun. It's really that simple, but it takes a little bit of patience and a little bit of practice to get it just right. So I'd love to show you in detail just how this whole idea works, and I've got a 2-hour lesson available to you which can show you exactly that, take you step by step through the whole process so that then you can know how to do that and apply it to all your paintings from here on out. So once you know how to do it, it's pretty straightforward, and you can just pull that little gem out of your artist toolkit whenever you want and use it on any painting that you want to create a magical, warm, glowing light effect in the background and through the whole scene. So I look forward to showing you that. Just head over to mypaintingclub.com, sign up for the lesson, and I'll take you through it step by step. See you there.